Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ka Congress ke badai ke Liang Pyrshah jong Sorkar MDA henna ka arpo tarik unaitung kalaong bak Sorkar ke bentrai sitom syuk haga banyak hunya ka kelam coronavirus. Unang aktin ke seng Congress uzanet sangma ulapan pau bak Liang Pyrshah jong Sorkar MDA kam hunya ka rukom tarai jong Sorkar haga banyak hunya ka kelam COVID-19. Uzanet sangma ulaong ru bak Sorkar nadu ka basdang jong kejingya hunya COVID-19 kam simla bante la kambha namar klem ka tes ka batikna kilasu betha igipat ba bansong slong ne quarantine hayeng. Usanet sangma ulah penramru yak Sorkar halor kajing sya kejongka ban pelong kawai Iathuh sya asam bat wat hayeng jong kiru. Uni unang aktin keseng Kongres ulah Dawa nak Sorkar jela badai ban Iathuh bet yak Kyrteng jong Briew Kiba Ioh positif kenang ba kiwei kenang ban husiar ban laj nak kajing yo uni kenyang jepang besyirkai.
Right from the beginning, when we were bringing the stranded friends from outside the state, they didn't handle it properly. Without any proper test, at the first instance, they were sent for home quarantine. And after doing such for many a time, when certain positive cases were found, then only the government reacted very lately and started saying that the confirmatory test, RT-PCR test has to be compulsorily done. But before this, just by doing thermal scanner, if it was negative, they were allowed to go home for home quarantine. And thereby, after going home, certain people were found to be positive, and I'm afraid there may be transmission to other people also quietly, which we may not know. And secondly, the way this government through the district administration allowed certain people to go to outside the state for attending wedding function and coming back and celebrating their wedding party. And in the last meeting, we demanded that the names of those people who are having positive cases might be disclosed to the public so that each and every one of us will be in a better position to fight with this COVID-19 virus and keeping ourselves safe, because this fight is not the fight of the government alone. This is the fight which each and every individual has to participate. Then only we can achieve in fighting against this virus. So when we are not knowing as to where the virus is present, then how can we save ourselves from the virus? That is why it is very, very important that the names of those who are having positive cases should be disclosed, whereby every individual will be in a position to fight against this virus.